Hi, here is the Pentax Zoom 105 Super overall conditions. Okay, first of all, let us open the battery cover. You need to use a small screwdriver to open it. Yeah. Okay, after that, it's loose. Oops, sorry. Then put using two CR123 batteries, so you just put accordingly. After that, just press it, okay, and lock it. Okay, next thing, by pulling here to open the back cover, inside will be like this, and here is the film. About the film, you need to put at this compartment and slide into it, because you need to make sure that the motor is fit into the center part of the film. Yeah. Okay, press it down and pull the film tip to here, and make sure that your film is flat like that. Then just close it and it will auto lock. Okay, when here show figure 1, which means that you can start shooting right now. By pushing here is to on the camera. Yeah. Then here is the zoom and zoom out, and here is the shutter, here is the viewfinder. So when you view into the viewfinder, you will find out at the center part of the viewfinder there's a dot or circle. So you just use that dot or circle to aim whatever you want to focus, aim it, and half press the shutter. Okay, if it doesn't blink, it light up like this, which means that it's okay to shoot. Then just click it. While if it's blinking like this, which means that now you have, okay, if it's blinking like this, which means that it can't focus. While if the red light blinking, which means that the flash haven't fully charged yet, so maybe it took some time. Yeah. So I aim far a bit. If I can't focus, okay, then it will be okay to go. And here is the flash setting. Click it. This one is the daylight flash, off the flash. This one is the day mode. Then the bug mode. Bug mode is when you click the shutter, after you release, then only it will stop. It will close the shutter. Yeah, it's usually for the long exposure. And this one is the bug mode with the flash. Okay. Then click again. If nothing happened at here, nothing appear, which means that it's fully auto. And click here is the timer. Also same. Half press. Press it. Okay. Here you see have a red light up, which means that the timer is start counting. It took around 10 seconds like that. Yeah. And now it's auto flash, so if the environment is bright enough, then it won't trigger the flash. Click. This one is the continuous shooting, where if you click, when I try it, okay, if you didn't release the shutter, it will keep shooting. Okay, yeah, like that. Then click again. This one is double exposure, which it will have like one frame, two shot in one frame. Now it's 9. Then click again. Wait up. Okay, now only we'll pass to the next shot. Okay. Then this one INT, which means that it will shoot the film every 1 minute. And here's the overall. Then this one is the setting, which is the compensation mode. Yeah, you can adjust by yourself. This one is positive, then negative. You can say, sorry, just now it's positive, negative at first. You can see there's a plus and minus there. Yeah, so you just click it until it blink. Yeah, like that. Then you adjust it by the zoom button. Okay, if 0, which means that it's followed by the film lah. Yeah. And when you want to off it, then just close like this. Will do. Yeah. Then here is the date function. Well, it not until 2035, so you can adjust it. This one is the date printing lah, which it will print the date and time, or only the date inside your frame, your outcome lah. Okay. If you want to adjust it, you just click the select. Okay. Then it will blink. Then we click the adjust to adjust the time by you. Your preference, yeah, according click again, then we'll jump to the another one. This one is a minute. Okay, click again, doesn't blink, which means that you can use it already. Yeah. If you don't want it, click like this, which means that it's off. And when you should finish, it will auto rewind. So yeah, no worry in using, and hope you enjoy it.